This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
As you can see, it is currently not available to download on the Google Play Store, as it is in the registration phase. Let's see how to download and play. First of all, open your favorite web browser, click on the address bar, and go to bgmiapk.com. You can check the video description for the direct link. Once you are here, scroll down a bit. You will see the direct download button, click on it. On the next page, you will have the option to download the APK file separately, and the OBB file separately, but we will click the orange button to download both APK and OBB files combined. Next, click the download button. And wait for it to get completed. As you can see, this is a zip file. To extract this file, use your favorite file manager. We are using the Z Archiver app. So let's extract it. Once extracted, firstly install the APK file. Make sure you don't open it when installed, just click on Done. After that, go inside the Android folder. Then the OBB folder. Then long press on this folder. And then click Copy or Cut. After that, go to your phone's root directory. And then go to Android. Here, create an OBB folder if not available. Go inside the OBB folder. And paste that file which we have earlier copied or cut. Now, let's play the game. So, this is all in this video. We hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.